since I've got the reinforcement off, I thought I might as well just go with it rather than having it here making life difficult for myself. So you've got these two screws. I'm going to get into the headlight, so make sure you don't lose them. Pop them there, and this should just kind of come off, but you've got these other two here as well, these two. So take these off, and they'll just pop out. There we go. That one's off, and these two, so it should just pop out like this. Okay, you've got these cables, make sure you don't pull them too much because they will snap. They are very flimsy. There we go, and that comes off. Obviously from the back you just turn them, you pop these out, put it into the new grills, these here, and we'll pop this to the side. The headlight it's hard to get out is these two bolts here, so just open them up. Just pops right out, guys. It's your normal old school stuff, just pop out like this. If it does come out, it's a tricky one. There we go. I'm keeping these with the vehicle as well, just for the new person that takes on this OEM stuff. I don't know how much they are, but just keep them as is. And then the new ones, I shall. So this is your new one. This is that one, and this is your old school. I mean, they're quite different. There's a lovely O-ring lighting compared to the new stuffs are all better, obviously. Right, guys, so it's not a case of just a plug and play. Now these was I think about 20-30 quid on eBay. As we can see, it's a lovely thing, but the problem we have to rewire everything for it to work. Not everything, obviously. So your normal headlights will work with this, so the full beam and the normal headlight will work. However, the indicators and the side lights will not work. And what you'll need to do, so where it pops out here, let me just look. So that'll be your side light at the top, I think. Yeah, so side light at the top. So this one's your side light, this one is your side light, and this is your indicator. So you pop both of the plugs out, bring it around this way, and you can see this is a wiring that I've got myself. I've got a lot of wirings about. So what you'll need to do, go into the red one. Okay, side light, don't forget the red wire. Come onto the red wire here that it's made for you, that's connected to the light. This is the green wire, okay, other side, and this goes to the green wire, which is the indicator. As you can see, this is the live wire. I won't worry about them, leave them as is. This is just a temporary job. Now obviously you can't just do it and just weld it as is, tape it, use some electrical tape so water doesn't go in it, but that's a cowboy job if you ask me. So I'm just doing this as a tester. Now on the other side is the same stuff. These are the wirings we have, okay, and I've done the same, as you can see. So green goes on green, and the red goes on the red. Just make sure it's some lengthy wire, because you're going to be pulling this back there and you need some sort of length so it doesn't overstretch. But yeah, it's not a case of plug and play. You'll have to do some manual work on it, but it's pretty damn easy. You'll just need you'll need some sort of stuff, tools. I've got these here, or you can, like I said, just do this, tape it up, end off really. But yeah, let's get cracking on to the next stage. We've done this, I've done it up, I've even put tape on it, welded, all good. So all works. I'll even put it in, we'll have a look now. So ignition is on. So have a look at this. As we can see, all works. Now if we just turn the lights off, so the indicator, sorry, the lights off 1 time, just so the side lights are on, in other words. So that side works, this side doesn't. We'll have to find out. It's all trial and error, guys. So for some bizarre reason, mine, I don't know if everyone's the same, does not work for there. As you can see, nothing. Don't ask me why, it just doesn't work. I see, I'll connect it up there, nothing. Whenever I bring it round here, this is the other side, as you can see, pops on, look. There you go, works on, all rings work. I don't know. If yours is doing the same, then I would highly recommend getting a long wire like this take it from the inside all the way in, strap it up to that one again. Well, not strap, but yeah, weld it to that, and then hopefully jobs are good in. But yeah, it's kind of delayed me another good 20 minutes or so. Indicators are all on, and then if we do side lights, so indicators off, there we go, there's side lights, and then your beams, and then full beams. Yep, so all the way, that's it. So everything works, guys, everything as is. Like I said, I've done that from one end to the other, all tidy up anyway. But yeah, there you are. And then the next step obviously is this here housing, which we will do. The next option would be, guys, after doing all that, you've got these little bolts here, these screws, undo them, this whole frame comes off. Obviously keep the screws, don't lose them, because you'll need to put it onto this afterwards and tighten it and make sure they do fit in line with where you popped them out before. But yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put them on yet. I'm going to give it a good nice clean, sandblast it, repaint it gloss black, and yeah, jobs are good in.